Let's tell you how DMK is leading the protest against the new UGC guidelines. India allies support DMK here. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi is to join this protest. SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav to join the protest as well. Now, the protest is over UGC rule on the Vice Chancellor appointment. Remember, the protest over the limited state role in these particular appointments that has been a bone of contention. All right, I'm going to understand. Kritika Tiwari joins me for more on this. Kritika, good morning once again. Given the aspect of earlier, we were talking about what the bone of contention is here and on what basis they're actually talking about why they're protesting. This is one aspect. But since you're joining us from Ground Zero, tell us about the voices that have come together for the same and put that into perspective for our viewers.
So, Nivedana, Akhilesh Yadav from the Samajwadi Party has also joined the protest. You'll be seeing that they're approaching the stage as of now. Most DMK MPs are already here. We have D. Raja as well. Earlier, Manoj Jha from the RJD had also addressed the gathering. On your screens, you'll be able to see Akhilesh Yadav has just walked into the protest. He's meeting Mr. Baiko as well, who was addressing and talking about how UGC, the basic contention that the opposition leaders today are raising is about how the UGC draft guidelines are against, in fact, the federal structure of the states and how the university control of the appointments of the VCs should rest within with the state governments itself, because it is the state governments that are funding it, that are designing the curriculum as well. There are multiple other issues, but the major point that is being raised by leaders earlier when Mr. Manoj Jha was also addressing the gathering, he had talked about how this is imposition along the lines of one nation, one election, along the lines of language as well, and this is only a furtherance in that ideology. They were saying that this is a deliberate attempt to, in fact, inculcate the ideology of the RSS into our education system. So on your screens right now, you'll be able to see DMK MPs. There is Mr. Tiruchi Siva as well, Kanimoi who's the leader of the DMK cadre inside the parliament, as well as Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, who is just joined. We're also expecting Rahul Gandhi to also join this protest against the UGC. Remember, this is the first protest, this scale, large-scale demonstration that is being conducted by the DMK leaders here in the national capital. They're saying that they want other political parties to also bring their student leaders here, because this is about the continuation or the policies of the education. You'll be able to see on your screens, our camera person will be showing you the posters that the protesters have brought in. They're here in large numbers from different parties as well. Most we see from the DMK. Posters of rejection of UGC new regulations, bringing back education into the state curriculum as well is being expected. In a short while from now, we are expecting, in fact, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav to also address the demonstrators who have assembled at Jantar Mantar this morning. This is something that has been planned. Remember, earlier as well, Chief Minister Stalin had said, while writing a letter to the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, that DMK will be leading a student wing protest here in the national capital against the UGC guidelines. So on your screens again, you'll be able to see how opposition MPs have assembled in the area address after address is being made, appeal after appeal is also being made for the students to unite for this cause. Now remember, the UGC has in its reply maintained, the UGC chairman had maintained that this is this is a draft, and the guidelines are aimed at, in fact, improving the transparency and the ease of employment of these teachers.
Right, Kritika, I have to interject you there, but for the moment, thank you for joining us from Ground Zero. We will keep coming back to you to keep us ahead. But for now,